What the hell is going on, guys? I've been trying to load videos, man, and I'm getting frustrated and sick of this stuff. I'm telling you, this editing and loading videos, I've been trying to take videos off my damn phone. It wouldn't let me for the longest time. Then I had to figure that out. Somehow my phone got onto this charging only mode. It wouldn't let me load files from my phone to my computer. And now I go to transfer files onto my editing software, and I got a blank page. All my stuff that I had on there, my videos, are all gone. I don't know what to say anymore. It's just, this is the second time this has happened to me now. I got to do another intro thing, and I am not a computer genius. That's probably pretty obvious, but from watching my videos. But this is just, it's really frustrating because it's taking time away now from me. Sometimes I had to editing videos till like midnight, 1 in the morning type thing, right? Like, this stuff takes time, and now that I gotta start over again now, and what a nightmare. What a nightmare. So, yeah, that's why people have teams and stuff when their channel grows, because you just can't do this crap on your own. It's too much work. Too much work for one person. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, that's why I haven't posted anything, in case somebody's wondering what the hell is going on. So I might try and just post this so you guys are up to what I've been doing here, but I just finally got some videos now loaded onto my editing software, so I'm gonna try and post something today, I guess. This is the long weekend here, Thanksgiving, and because I kind of like to post something every 3 days or something like that. I wasn't able to post nothing. It's been, I don't know how long now, like a week or something, since I was trying to figure out what was going on with this thing with my phone. So I've been monkeying around with that, and so at least I got that figured out. But now I got to redo an intro thing, and my the thing at the end there where it says thanks for watching and all that stuff. And it ain't anything fancy, but it takes me a while to get that figured out, to figure out how to add that in there, right? So anyways, and I even had some music stuff now that I pulled off the internet and stuff that I could it's all gone. All that stuff is gone now. So I guess that's it. So I'm going to see if I can maybe post this video, and then you guys are kind of understanding what's going on here. Maybe somebody can give me a hand. Man, oh man. This YouTubing, I tell you. All right, guys. Talk to you later.